I got involved in doing CRPS cases in 1984. A young woman came into my office and was having horrid pain in her arm, and she had actually had a physician at that time who said, well, you have reflex sympathetic dystrophy. I'd never heard of reflex sympathetic dystrophy, but I could see that this woman was in a lot of pain. She had gotten this condition as a result of a nurse giving her a medication, a shot in her deltoid region, and it hurt like the dickens. When it happened, which is kind of unusual as opposed to later, and then she started having all these symptoms in her arm that just didn't stop and got worse. Well, she had a doctor who had diagnosed reflex sympathetic dystrophy. I came up to Denver and spent several days at the University of Colorado Medical School library trying to find out what this was all about. And I did, and learned about what a horrid condition it was recognized in the literature. Even at that time, it was. And we ended up having to try that case, found out that that medicine never should have been given in the arm, should have been given in the buttock, and that it injured various muscle tissue in the arm. And we tried that case to a very successful verdict. And as a result of that and the publicity around it, other lawyers started referring these cases to me. And that started it, and it seems like virtually ever since then I've had a number of these cases going, and it's long since expanded to a practice across the country.